Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to use TradingView for Robinhood, then here is the step-by-step guide for you. While you can directly connect your Robinhood account to TradingView for placing trades, you can still leverage TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools to inform the trading decision on Robinhood. Now here is the step-by-step guide on how to use TradingView for Robinhood. First, sign up and explore TradingView. Create a free account on TradingView. A paid subscription provides more advanced features. Familiarize yourself with the TradingView interface, including the charting tools, watch list, and the various indicators. Analyze the stocks and create the watch list. Search for stocks you are interested in trading on Robinhood within TradingView. Use TradingView's advanced charting features, including technical indicators, drawing tools, and multiple chart types to analyze price trends and patterns. Create a watch list in TradingView to easily track the stock you are monitoring. Develop your trading strategy. Use TradingView to identify potential entry and exit points based on your chosen trading strategy. Utilize backtesting features if available with your TradingView subscription to test your strategy on historical data. Paper trade using TradingView's simulated trading environment to refine your strategy and build confidence. Execute trades on Robinhood. Based on your analysis and strategy developed in TradingView, switch to your Robinhood account. Manually place your trades on Robinhood, reflecting the decision you have made the based on your TradingView analysis. In essence, you will be using TradingView as your primary analysis platform and Robinhood as your execution platform. So here is the important cautions or considerations for you. No direct indications. Remember, TradingView and Robinhood don't have a direct connection for placing trades. Manual order entry. You will need to manually enter your trades in Robinhood after conducting your analysis on TradingView. Stay updated. While TradingView offers robust analysis tools, you still need to stay informed about market news and developments relevant to your chosen stocks. By using TradingView for in-depth market analysis and then executing trades based on that analysis within Robinhood, you can combine the strength of both platforms for potentially better informed trading decisions. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.